So hi people, I hope that everything is pretty fine. My name is Sim for the people who didn't know me. I'm a programmer, I guess. No, yes I am. So welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring some light on the subject which is really important and really current to the community programming developers. Which is how to choose the correct programming language. So mostly for the beginners because they always want to know like what is the trending thing and which stuff that I need to learn, and for some reason they want to learn the trending thing, and so I'm gonna bring some line and maybe like just avoid you losing sometimes. So let's just begin. By the end of the video, we will be able to know how to choose a programming language and just those 3 tips that will help you to choose other things in the future that you might want to learn, such as framework or libraries. So let's begin. So how to choose a correct programming language. So before choosing a correct programming language, so you need to know what is a programming language. But I ain't gonna take any like formal definition, but I'm just gonna go with my own, and yeah, so we're gonna create your own too with time and experience. So what is a programming language? So you can take it as like a tool. So a programming language is a tool that you are going to use in order to realize something like a project, like games, or maybe web application, mobile application, the thing that you want to realize to. So you're gonna use a programming language in order to realize this type of thing. So we have a bunch of programming languages out there. So how to choose them? To choose a programming language, we are going to use 3 main things. So we can call them like 3 factors we need to consider when you are going to choose a programming language. So the first one is your needs. So think about your needs. So which type of project that you want to realize. So we have a bunch of programming languages out there. So each of them has a specific purpose. So they might help you. Like you can have one who can do the work of a bunch of other one, but it might have like more functionality or will help you to realize the project more faster. So this is the reason why you'll pick this one instead of the other one. So yeah, so think about your needs. So for example, if you want to create games, so I won't tell you to go and learn Java if you want to create games, because I don't really know which type of game engine actually we're using Java, but I do know some game engines such as Unity. Unity is actually using C#, and Unreal Engine is actually using C++. So I will tell you, make research about them and pick one of them, or maybe 2. I don't know. I don't know playing, so you can choose one of them, not 2 of them. Like, okay, so just choose one of them, C# or C++, and just pick your engine too. So it's gonna be based on your need. It's gonna go based on your need. Like if you want to create a mobile application, so I will tell you, if you want to create like native application, to go and learn Java, because you're going to use Android Studio for that. But for the other one, you might use Flutter too. Flutter? I think they say Flutter, but I don't really know. I need to make more research about it. So yeah, it's going to be based on your needs. So like for games, C# or C++, for a mobile application, based on the type of platform that you want to develop with it too. Bunch of mistake. Yeah, so you need to choose like a Java or maybe another language. So we have a bunch of language out there, so you will be able to find your language based on your need if you take the time in order to make some research, because it's gonna help you, trust me. And the other type of thing that you need to consider when choosing a programming language is the functionality. So think about the thing that you want to do again, and think about the functionality, and just like weigh up every single thing that a programming language might help you to do. So once you have all of the functionalities, so you will be able to choose one, because you might have 2 programming languages, so they might be able to help you realize the project, but one of them has functionality that will help you spend less time working on the project. So you should choose, not choose, but you should pick this one instead, less time on the development, so everybody is happy. So yeah, I will always advise you to pick this one instead of the other one, because you ain't gonna create anything from scratch, so you're gonna have your functionality there. So just pick that one. And the other one, like the last tip that I'm gonna give you today, so it was 3 tips. So the last one that will really help you to choose your programming language is the community. So pay attention to the community. So if the thing is trending, so it might happen that the community out there is big for some kind of reason. I think it was the same thing for Flutter too. So I think it was the time when I came upon Flutter. There's a reason why I kind of like felt that it was brand new, but it was not brand new. I don't think so. but think about the community. So don't just go and learn something just because it's trending. So call and make more research and try to know the community. Try to see if you have a problem, if you have somebody that is writing to help you, or somebody that has already have the problem that you have, and you'll be able to just know the solution and just implement your thing quickly, and you'll be able to learn and just avoid to be like stuck to something, like spend like 3 months or 4 months on something just because it's brand new and anybody wants to use it yet, because it's not stable in the market yet. So pay attention to the community. So in a nutshell, I'm gonna give you the 3 tips. So the first tip is your needs. So pay attention to your needs. So just take a time and talk to yourself and try to get to know the thing that you want to realize in order to pick the correct programming language, not languages. And the second thing that you should take in account is the functionalities. So the functionalities that every single programming languages gave you are the main one, the thing that might be able to help you with the project, and just see which functionality that you might use and that will help you on the project in a nutshell. So, and the last one is the community. Pay attention to the community. So you might use websites such as Stack Overflow in order to check the community, if the community is really active, or just go on their official website to see what's going on. So it was the tip for me, it was the tip for you, and I hope that you like them. If you like them, so feel free to let me know that in the comment section, and I will see you in another video. Bye.